Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Shukri Menhaizi, and before we get started, let me show you a short clip of this fantastic event. What a nice video, right? I have done a lot of activity during the event, which is both fun and musical. And now, let us start with the main content. This is a poster of the event. Very nice design. And now, we go to the objective of the event. Objective of the event. Festival Asia aims to celebrate diversity, foster community engagement, and preserve tradition. They provide a platform for showcasing the Asian country culture through performance, art, and cuisine, promoting understanding and appreciation among attendees. This event helps in building social bond and learn about another culture that are diverse and brilliant. This also educates us in the significance of tradition and the meaning of the culture value. And now, we go to the specific topic. The Festival Asia show a lot of culture difference and value. It's perfect to relate with the Austin entrepreneur culture difference. Mainly, Austin culture dimension is an important tool for understanding culture difference. There are 6 dimensions that influence the traditional society's order, interaction and decision making, which are power distance, individualism versus collectivism, masculinity versus femininity, uncertainty avoidance, long-term versus short-term irritation, and the last one is indulgent versus restraint. Application to the event. Firstly, is a power distance which represent the measurement of hierarchical power in society and hierarchical power distribution. This can be seen mainly in the many Asian countries, especially ancient China, with the ruling of its emperor, while Singapore having a more equality value. Second is individualism versus collectivism, which is inquired into the individual reincarnation or societal harmony. Individual societal view can be shown in the United States with their focus on liberty and freedom of speech, while collective culture is most prominent in Japan or China, for example, Huangzi. The meaning of Huangzi is a personal relationship. Third is masculinity versus femininity. A cultural characteristic of traditional learning on masculine trait like dominance. Meanwhile, femininity learn more on femininity traits such as cooperative nature. This can be seen in China with the example on the lion motif in residential areas symbolic perspective and bravery. The opposite can be presented by Japan geisha and Meiko being relevant until today. Fourth is uncertainty avoided. The dimension examines how society reacts under change of ambiguous situation. Philosophical tradition of China such as Confucianism recognize that change are unavailable and must be accepted with grace, while high uncertainty avoided culture can be seen through countries such as Greece. Fifth is long-term versus short-term orientation that represent how certain society balance traditional value and future adaptation. Long-term oriented culture are mostly represented by China or Japan, while short-term oriented culture can be seen by the United States or Singapore. Finally, is indulgent versus restraint. Indulgence represents the characteristic of freedom and luxury, given things in this perspective of being elegant in society. Meanwhile, restraint emphasizes more on self-discipline and restriction. Indulgent characteristic can be seen to countries such as Singapore due to its luxurious life, while China is shown to be more restricted as they are pragmatic. And now, we go to the last part, is a key takeaway. We emphasize of China, the Festival Asia offered a wealth of opportunity to appreciate the richness and diversity of Asian culture. The event emphasized how culture, value, and tradition influence business processes, decision making, and interpersonal interaction by incorporating hosted and entrepreneurial culture aspects. The importance of high power distance, collective mentality, and long-term orientation were among the main conclusions drew from a state dimension. These characteristics were demonstrated by the emphasis of maintaining tradition, the sense of community, the private shared activity, and the respect for hierarchy during performance. In a similar vein, entrepreneurial dimension reaffirmed the value of establishing relationship, harmony over outspoken expansion, and the culture prosperity for synchronicity from the smooth blending of the past, present, and the future. Understanding culture aspect promoted greater awareness and empathy when engaging with the people of organization for another culture. Collaboration and communication can be improved by understanding how value like hierarchy, collective, and long-term orientation view behavior. Culture awareness is not only advantageous but also necessary in today's globalized society to prevent miscommunication, uphold custom, and foster trust. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.